Today I'm going to show how to use Vlookup to find information on one spreadsheet or workbook and place that content in another spreadsheet or workbook. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Okay, our manager asked us to create a separate spreadsheet that will contain the employee ID number, the employee's full name, and their department that they work in. And this information is found on this database or this database spreadsheet. However, the database has more information than we need. So we just need to extract just certain information. So the first thing we want to ensure is that the employee ID number is on the spreadsheet that we're going to create, because this is how we're going to identify all the missing information. So on the second column, column B, we're going to find their full name. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the formula. We're going to go to insert function. We're going to either type in Vlookup, or if it's already showing up in your box, you can just double click on Vlookup and hit OK. The first field open is the lookup value. This is what the system is looking to find. So we're looking to find the employee ID number. That's what we're looking to match up. The table array is where the source, or what we're looking up, where it can be found. So you can double click into the table array and then go to our data file. And this is where we want to highlight the whole data file. So what I'm doing is I'm holding down the shift button, moving my arrow to the left, and then hitting the end button and the down button to highlight everything. The column index number is where that particular information that we're looking for can be found on our table array. So we're looking for full name, and the full name on the data file is found on column 2. A is column 1, B is column 2. So we're looking for column 2. Range lookup. This is either false or true. Now this is a little bit confusing. False means that we want an exact match, because we want only the person that has employee ID number 00001 to show up in this field. So we want to type in false, and then we hit OK. And here we go. Employee 001 is Peter Parker. And if we go back to our database, you can see employee 001 is Peter Parker. We also need to find the department of Peter Parker. So we'll go through the same steps again. Formulas, insert function, Vlookup. The lookup value is A2. The table array, it's going to be the data file. All rows and columns. The column index number. For this one, if we hit Control Home, it'll bring us up. And if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we highlight and delete this and put the number 5 in the column index number and type in the word false. If you're looking up employee name or particular specific information, you always want to put false. Hit OK. And Peter Parker works in Department A. And if you go back, here's Peter Parker, Department A. And as always, if you want to highlight or fill in the whole table, highlight both cells, and in the lower right hand corner, make sure that the mouse button becomes that little crosshair and double click, and now you have all information. No matter what their location is in data field, it will match up to that particular employee. Last step is you want to highlight columns B and C, right mouse click, copy, you'll get the dancing ants, right mouse click again, paste special, values, click OK, and now you do not have the formula showing up, and hit escape. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.